Hello everyone, this is Nicholas, BMW Genius with West German BMW. I'm really excited today because we have a pre-production model of a car you guys are all really excited about, the M550. This one is in carbon black with the ivory white Napa leather. I'm going to be doing a little bit of an overview with you guys, giving you an exhaust clip. Can't actually drive the car because it is a pre-production model. But because this is coming from BMW, this is loaded, so I'm going to have a few things to be able to go over with you guys. So let's start off, as I said, 18,550. Starting price is at 72,000. Carbon black, ivory white Napa leather. We have a lot of included features like the M Sport brakes, adaptive suspension, 19-inch alloy wheels are included. You can upgrade to 20. We do have the Space Saver spare, Sensitech dash. We have the moonroof, the rear sunshades, Apple CarPlay. This also has the rear seat entertainment, which I'll go over, the Bowers & Wilkins, gesture controls, and with destination, that puts us at a total of $80,000. All right, now we've seen the sticker. Let's look at the most important part. This is the twin power turbo, 4.4 liter V8. This will do 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. And you can see on the outline of the kidney grills and the outline of the intakes, we have the matte cerium gray finish, and those are the Icon full LED lights. So you can see where our V8, we have those really big intercoolers. The matte gray finish goes with our little air breather, our mirror caps, as well as on our 19-inch wheels. So underneath here is what the spare tire will look like. You do lose a little bit of storage room, not much, and if you take this out you can get that room back. And then even the M550 logo is in the same gray finish. As I mentioned, we do have the Napa leather. This is the ivory white. We have the quilted diamond stitch that you get with the Napa leather. Then we have a two-tone interior with the Sensitech dashboard. You get the stitching, a little bit softer material. And this is the new aluminum finish that debuted with the new 5 Series. And then right there, we have the Bowers & Wilkins, over 1,200 watts. Definitely worth it if you're an audiophile or you just love M550 door sill, aluminum pedals, we have the dead pedal, brake and gas. And then you see here left and right, turn that on, we have our rear entertainment. Really cool if you see that right there. You get a player, you get HDMI, AV in, USB in, Blu-ray. Then you have your power adapters back here. Headphones left and right. You can also use wireless headphones as well as go through the speakers. Then with that, you do get a controller, which I have right here. Menu, back option, left, right, plus, minus, and then left, right is for the headphone control. Spins, so very similar to the iDrive controller you have up front. So you see there, if I spin, I can make vehicle changes. I can go to connected drive, I can view our navigation, enter an address, view the map. This is great if you're on a trip and you want to see what's going on. Communication, media. So if you have your kids or you have people in the back, someone can listen to the FM, someone can listen to the AM, some to the satellite, all auxiliary. You see there you have the USB, the HDMI. Then you can even make changes to the tone as well. The white interior is great with the LED lighting, especially when you unlock it at night. It really glows the color that you pick. Hope you guys like the little bit of an exhaust clip. Just going to highlight a few things in the interior. Just because I've done a full overview of the 5 Series already, I'm just going to highlight a few things. First off, this one's with the, see the massaging seats. It's over 3 settings, 3, 2, 1, and you can control that more in depth in the screen. We have the sunshade button. Side our manual. Left hand side we have the cruise control. This one also has the active cruise control, so that's why there's more buttons than your standard 5 Series. See, the aluminum finish continues. Ceramic controls, so we get the black. See there. I mean, it does add a nice little bit of a tactile feedback compared to the regular controls. If you guys want a more in-depth look at the new G35 series, please look at my other 5 Series overview. I just wanted to highlight a few of the key differences with the M550. If you have any questions or you'd like to see a specific video about a car or feature, leave a comment below.